Anyone who operates a business as a sole proprietor must fill out Schedule C when filing their annual tax return. pdfFiller provides you with an up-to-date fillable template of Schedule C that you can easily complete and submit online. Start by entering your name and social security number. Identify your type of business using lines A and B. Then, enter your business's name, EIN, address, and identify your tax accounting method in line F. Part 1 of the form is used to report the income of your business. It's also where you calculate your gross profit and gross income. Most of the fields in Part 2 are self-explanatory, meaning that you can pull the numbers you need from your profit and loss statement. Use Part 3 of the form if you sell products or use subcontractors to generate income in your business. If you're claiming vehicle expenses on line 9, you also have to complete Part 4. Finally, Part 5 is the section of Schedule C used to capture the expenses you didn't report on lines 8 through 26 or line 30. Once every field has been completed and checked off, click Done to save the changes you've made. Choose what you would like to do with your document next. Print out the completed document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it to a template, or continue editing your document online. Give pdfFiller a try and start saving your time and resources today.